welcome back to the Astra. The Astra is at a test place right now and is being inspected. It's going to be a pre-inspection because, let's face it, it's not going to pass as is, because I know there's things to do. So, that's what I'm doing right now, having it looked at, and what I already saw on the way over here is ABS light comes on and off when driving. It stays off in the beginning, but as soon as you start driving it comes on, so we'll see. Plus there's a permanent airbag light on. I haven't yet plugged in my ODB code reader to see what that might be, but obviously that's not great because it's not supposed to be like that. Yeah, anything else, those nice guys will hopefully tell me here in a second. So, be right back. Okay, welcome back in the Astra. It was checked. I'm on the way home. Well, I'm on the way to the gas station to check tire pressure, and I got stuck at a train light, so a train crossing. So I figured I'm just gonna quickly let you know what we found, or what they found. So, as I mentioned, ABS light is on, comes on during driving, as well as the traction control light at the same time, and an airbag light is on, and I have yet to be able to actually connect to the ODB. Do that. Well, I've connected to it, but it won't connect to the car. It's still checking protocols and over, so not sure what those are yet. What else? I have lights. The front headlight, front left headlight is broken, or just bulb done. It's missing the reflectors on the back for the taillights, or just actual normal taillights, and it has one corroded brake line in the back. That's quite bad. I'll try to show you in a bit, but I'm not sure I can climb under there without a jack and all that good stuff. It's actually, it goes across from the right hand side to the left hand side, or the other way, whatever, right in front of the gas tank. It's corroded about this much on this, to the point where they want me to replace it. Luckily it has connectors in both ends. It's about, I don't know, about a meter long, 80 centimeters long. I'll see if I can find that specific line pre-bent, because then it should be a pretty easy swap, ideally, if the connection's open. Then we have brakes done. The brake pads are dead on the rear left, and we have rust. It's a tiny little rust hole. Let me get moving here. It's a tiny little rust hole on the basically on the frame, if you want. What would be the frame rail on this thing? It's like a few millimeters in diameter. I'll show you in a minute, but he wants me to patch it up. So yeah, that's the diagnosis so far, and I'll show you the rust and maybe some other bits in a second here. So that right there is a rust hole. Yeah, my finger for reference. Yeah, that's it. Well, home for the moment. Tire pressures were fine. I still am trying to connect to the ODB. It just doesn't want to. I need to check which of the headlights is dead, but I'm definitely going to remove this horrible tint. Try to do it on the side, but despite all the bubbles here, it doesn't seem to be actually coming off on the edge. But yeah, right now still trying to connect to the ODB thingy, which is down here. It's down in there. It's hidden in the center console under a thingy usually, and it doesn't want to do a thing. So I can't find out what that is about, or what. Oh, well, these are not here about right now. Traction control and ABS. I don't think it's related to this, because this is plugged in. So this is traction control button. I don't think it's related to that. So yeah, I don't know. It might just be like a wheel speed sensor. Ow. Might just be a wheel speed sensor or something else. Airbag. I just want to delete the light and see if it comes back. That would be all I want and need. And try configuring ODB. And what are you saying? Checking protocol. Nope. Still can't connect. Oh well. Yeah, I'll research that. I don't know what I need to read and delete the codes in this, but it will have to be done, obviously. Just like that tiny little rust hole and a brake line. And some bulbs. We'll see. Also, I'm probably just going to staple this to the ceiling, to the headliner, you know, because Hey guys, welcome back to the Astra. A very quick little update. Let's have a look at this. You remember it has two problems: ABS traction and airbag. Oh wait, where did the airbag light go? The airbag light went away after I just had frick's sake. I had a guy over here who was running a little shop in town in Freiburg, like 10 minutes away from here, and he actually offered services, general shop services, you know, plus a rental lift if you want to do the self stuff. And I just stopped over there and asked him, hey, do you have a diagnostics tool for Opels? And he's like, I do have a diagnostics tool and it does Opels. And so I explained the situation, and he offered to come over here with me, and he just plugged in his little code reader thingy. It wasn't actually that little, it was a pretty big one. What's squeaking? Oh, the AC. Turn off. Shut up. Anyway, so he plugged in his code reader, and he erased the airbag code, which was just, I think a seat or whatever. As expected, battery was dead at some point. Yeah, airbag code is gone, and the ABS code is the front right wheel speed sensor. So I know which one to replace and attack, and that should also be taken care of, which takes care of two major problems for TÜV, because none of these errors are okay to pass TÜV with. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, he offered me a car to buy. It's a Corsa B, 110-15,000 kilometers, something like that. It's a 1.4 with a little bit of body damage, like cracked bumpers and stuff like that, you know. It's an automatic. Somebody bought an automatic Opel Corsa. Anyway, reasonably low kilometers, like just 115-20,000 kilometers, 110, something like that. Needs a new exhaust and the body kit fixed again properly, the front bumper. He said he can do the exhaust for me, and he also said he could sell it to me for 300 euros. TÜV ran out this month, but it should be fine to pass TÜV once the exhaust is taken care of. And he knows that because apparently he had it looked at the same TÜV place I go to. So there might be something to that. I told him I will consider that once I know I have budget left for another car. Anyway, he gave me some flyers and some business cards, and he offered me that if I could do some advertising for him that actually reaches people here in the area, he would be happy to even donate the car. I don't know if I can actually do some advertising local here that is actually going to be of any value to him, so I'll think about that, I'll talk to him, but that's not a concern right now. Right now, I'm just happy that the airbag light is gone and the ABS sensor, or wheel speed sensor, is identified that's faulty, so we can keep on working on the Astra. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to fix something really cheaply in really not a recommended way, but it has been annoying me so much. So, this. My plan is this. So, yes, I'm going to attempt to staple this to the ceiling. What could possibly go wrong? Well, now nothing is falling around in there. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try that really bad idea again. Well, there's a staple in the roof. Let's have a look if we have a staple outside of the roof. And I don't think we have. Good. So let's actually move around, make sure there isn't. Get out of the way, door. Yeah, looks good. Well, looking good would be saying too much. Yeah, it's right there somewhere. Cool. I'll keep going with that, I think. Let's crawl back in. Let's grab this again. Clink. One in the middle. Oh. Oh. Well, I guess if it can't fold around something. Oh, there's foam. Oh, come on. Well, that didn't when I stay and I did it. Is this one still here? Kinda. So let's have a look. I just try to pull on this. Well, I can't grab it. Yeah, this just comes out. Yeah. Okay. So the question now is, if I push this against the roof, will it bend the tabs around and properly affix to the headliner, or will it go through the frickin' roof? I don't know. I'll have to think about that for a second, because I really don't want to poke a hole in the roof with a frickin' staple gun. Okay, I decided to give this a shot, and it bent it around, but it still doesn't want to stick, so... Yeah, I don't know. This isn't working as I was hoping for. I really want to get rid of this, you know? This is really not nice. I don't know. I'll see if I can find another solution for this, because this is really annoying.